everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica and today I have yet another intro for you. This is a kind of a theme. We're third day in. I'm filming this on the second, late at night, of course, I always do. And it's been like pan that palette, and today is another pan that palette with a twist, of course. We had Paula's twist yesterday on the pan that palette, bringing one of her themes in that did not make the final cut for the Fantastic Ladies group theme. And Dana and I had another theme that we also submitted. We submitted quite a few of them actually. And Kicking It Old School was the one that won. Paula's Better Together was, it was like in the semifinals, but it didn't make it to the very end. But you know, it was a really good project, which is why I joined into that. So if you didn't see that video, check it out. It was from yesterday. Today is another theme that Dana and I submitted. It is not like wholly original, but it's one that we wanted to work on. This is the Build Your Own palette, pan that palette, but we are doing it with a twist. We are starting, it officially started like on January 1st, but you know, we decided we were going to upload it on the 3rd, and Misty's joining us. She is joining us. I'm very excited about that. Our twist is, this is open-ended. It is not a year long. If you want to end it at the end of the year, you can. If you don't want to and you want to keep going, this is rolling style. So, you know, make it fit you and your collection, whatever you have. So we decided we were starting with a 9-pan palette. We have our little magnetic palettes here. And you kind of can do it with as many or as few shadows as you want. And you just build the palette that you want to work on, whether it's like workhorse shades or fun, colorful shades that could, you know, help you out with some of your other stuff, or you just want to play. Like I want to play this year. It's really up to you how you build your own palette. It's kind of like it's yours. You're building it, and it's just to have fun. It's a lot of fun. So like the premise behind this, it can go one of two ways. Personally, I am only going to be attempting to hit pan on my shades, and once I hit pan on them, I'm going to roll them out. I'm going to roll something new in. I want to keep playing all year long, and I want to hit a lot of pans and just have a lot of fun. I know Dana has quite a few in that she is just attempting to hit pan on as well, but I think she does have a few that she already has pan on and she intends to finish. You can do it however you want. You can, you know, put it in for 20 uses, 50 uses, to hit pan, to finish, whatever. Once you hit whatever your goal is, you roll it out and you roll something else in just to play and have a good time. I have a lot of depotted shadows. I have a lot of singles, like a lot of singles. And this was just like right up my alley. It spoke to me, and clearly Dana felt the same way because we were kind of thinking along the same lines. And I know Misty has a lot of depotted stuff, so it worked beautifully for us. So if this sounds like something that you want to join us on, then by all means, we would love to have you do that. So let's get into my crazy palette. It is not your typical color story. I will tell you that. It's a lot of fun. So without further ado, this is my BYOP for starting. It is very colorful. I am going to insert some videos so you can see some good close-ups of it while I'm talking. And I have Skittles pox here on my arm. I wish I could turn my arm a little bit better. I probably should have swatched down like the side of my arm, but that is, yeah, that's really awkward. In the video, like the inserted video, it will look a little bit more, you know, right, because I'm not right. It's late at night. Of course it is. When else do I film besides late at night? So let's get into this palette. The first one, the top left, is Peach Fuzz. It is a beautiful, like soft, like beigey kind of peach shimmer, and it is absolutely beautiful. I love the shadow. I have a feeling this is going to be one of the first ones that I hit pan on because it is like a typical lid or inner corner shade for me. And the Coastal Scents, and these are all Coastal Scent singles, their shimmers, their metallic shimmers, they're just like, they're so soft, and I absolutely love them. Some are softer than others, but I really like them. I'm still sad that they're gone, but what you going to do. The next one is Blue Hawaiian. It looks very teal in the pan. It does tend to pull more blue on my eyes. I mean, you can still see the teal, but it definitely has like a lighter blue shift over it. And I'm hoping this will help me with my Coastal Scents 88 palette, which is my official Pan That palette for the year, the one that I'm attempting to finish. So hopefully this will play nice with that, and I can make some good progress on it. Next one is a workhorse shade for me. This is Timeless Taupe. And as you can see, it already has a bit of a dip in there because it is actually a good brow shade for me. And I have a feeling I'm going to hit pan on this one quickly because I do use it in my brows. And that is a stiffer brush, and it's more like local in this one spot. So I do feel like I could probably hit pan in that one fairly quickly. And even if I hit pan fairly quickly, I'm probably going to continue using it until the next update, just to make even more progress on it, because, you know, I want to be able to use it, like really use it. All right, next up, starting on the second row, we have another matte shade. This is Peach Puff, and it is just like a peachy pink shade. This is actually the second one. I had panned one completely a few years ago, and I really liked it a lot, and I got a new one. And then they went out of business. You know, what you gonna do? I really like the shade. I don't think I'm gonna have any problems hitting pan on this one because, you know, I've done it once. The middle shade, the very middle shade, is a little bit scary. It's going to take a little bit longer to hit pan on. If you remember my Pango that I did with Dana last year, I had Bright Tangerine. Well, this is its cousin. This is Marmalade. It is super, super bright, and it's going to take a little bit. I'm sure of it. But it's going to be interesting. It's going to keep the looks fun, and I'm going to get really creative using some of these colors. All right, the last one on the second row, Bright Red. It is officially called Pomegranate Red, and yeah, this could get interesting. But I feel like with the orange and this red and maybe a few other colors that I have in other projects, I'm going to have some fun making some sunset eye looks because, yeah, I just need some yellow. And this next shade that I'm going to show you, which is Lavender, that is going to be real fun on the lids, and then work from the reds to the orange up into the yellow for the sunset eyes. Yeah, I'm gonna have fun with that one. This is a lovely metallic shimmer, and I'm gonna have a lot of fun playing with that. I love my purples. Y'all know I love my purples, and I'm hoping that the purple, like this lavender shade, is going to help me get through some of the blues that I have in my Pan That palette. Next up is another crazy color. I went for a lot of crazy colors in this intro because I want to have a lot of fun, and yeah, why not? Why not have some fun with bright colors? This is called Neon Bright Pink, and it is crazy bright, and I'm a little nervous with this one. I don't want to look like I'm sick or have pink eye or anything like that, but it could get interesting. It really could. All right, moving on to the very last shade on the bottom row. This one is super dark, and I promise you it is not black. This is called Black Cherry, or Blackberry, I'm sorry, Blackberry, and it is a super dark, cool brown, and sometimes I can use this in my brows, like in the very tail end, but I also like to use it to deepen my outer corners, to do like a liner look, and I think this is going to be very versatile for me with everything else that I have going on with all of my other projects, some of which you haven't seen yet. Some are filmed, some aren't, and yeah, it's a lot. It is a whole lot. And I know I've been having videos go up every single day. That is not going to continue. January is just a stupid busy month, and there's just a lot of things that I'm wrapping up from last year, a lot of things that I'm introducing for this year. So January is you're going to get a lot of bonus videos, but towards the end of the month and back into February, I'm going to be at the every other day uploads again. I just, you know, trying to fit it all in January because, you know, it's a lot. All right, I'm going to wrap this up. This is my BYOP intro. It could look different in a couple of months, like very different colors, lots of pans. I'm hoping there's lots of pans, and yeah, it's just going to continue on. And if I don't have any progress, I'm not going to do an update on it. But my goal is to either have a pan every update or like really, really significant dips in some to where like the following update is definitely going to have pan or rollout. I want these updates to be exciting. Not didn't make progress again this month, because who wants to see that? Not me. I don't want to film that. I don't want you guys to see that. You guys don't want to see that. You want to see like fun, exciting differences in all of this, I'm sure. So that is the beginning. If you want to join in, by all means, just pick your eyeshadows. We're starting with 9, but you can do as many or as few as you want. Just let me know in the comments, and I will get you put in my description box with the link to your YouTube channel or Instagram, wherever you're going to post your updates. If you want to follow along at home and you don't want to post it on social media and just update in the comments, let us know how you're doing with, you know, the shadows that you've chosen. That's cool too. There's nothing wrong with that at all. All right, I am going to wrap this up. Definitely go check out Dana and Misty, who has joined in. They're going to be linked down below. And I guess that is everything. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.